Hello students, today I am going to discuss about how to find a square root and what are their methods. Actually, two ways to find out the square root. First method is prime factorization method and second one is division method. And in this session I will discuss how to find a square root by prime factorization method. My dear students, as you know that a number, a positive number can be expressed as the product of prime numbers. Prime number, you know, a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number. And you know very well that what is 2? 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 2 only. 3 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 3. 5 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 5. And this is why these are considered as prime number. And writing a number in the product of primes is known as prime factorization. You can just see that 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and writing in the product of these primes is known as prime factorization. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. Similarly, you can just find out the prime factorization of a given number. This number can also be found out by this way. For example, 144, it can be obtained by this way. 272, 230, you have just see that it can be written by this way also. And what is its meaning? Its meaning is 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. For our convenience, when you find out the square root, it can be written as also by this way, squares. 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. So 144 can be expressed as product of the primes. So in this session, you have to utilize this factorization to find out the square root. My dear students, I have just taken some examples. Look at square root of 81. Since you know that 81 it can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You have to just make pair of it. And square root, you have to just take one of these two pair. 3 into 3. I have just taken 1 3 from this pair and 1 3 from this pair, and final result is actually 9. Similarly, in the case of 225, you know very well that since 225 can be written as the product of 5 into 5 into 3 into 3, for a square root, from this pair you have to take 1 5, and from this pair you have to take 1 3. So its final result is actually 5 3 are 15. My dear student, you have to just see that I have just taken these two. Square root of 400, I have just done the rough in the right side. You must do in the right side rough because it is the part of the solution. So you have not to do the last page. You have to just do beside this question. I have just did that At first I have just to factorize it 400, and it can be on factorization it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, and you have just taken one of from each pair, and from one pair of 2 I have just taken 1 2, from another pair of 2 I have just taken 1 2, and from one pair of 5 I have just taken 1 5. On multiplication it is equal to 20. So square root of 400 is actually 20. Similarly, in the case of 7744, when you need to find out the square root, then on factorization you have just get the 3 pair of 2 and 1 pair of 11, and when you have to take 1 2 from each pair and 1 11 from last pair, then you have just to get 2 into 2 into 2 into 11, and on multiplication it result is 88. So square root of 7744 is 88. By this method you are able to find out the square root of any given number.